How to make Easter Egg Jello Shots. G'day drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org. Have you become a drinking buddy? Because that's an excellent idea, just like these excellent, extraordinary Easter eggs. Yes, Jello shot Easter eggs, and this is how to make them. For this, you'll need 1 cup of vodka, a packet of Jello or jelly crystals, 1 cup of hot water, and some hollow Easter eggs. In a measuring jug, pour in 1 cup of hot water, then add your Jello crystals and give it a stir until dissolved. Once dissolved, add in your 1 cup of vodka and give it a quick stir. Set your Jello off to the side to cool a little. With a knife, drill a hole into each Easter egg just off to the side of the seal. Then make sure your syringe will fit inside each hole. Once your Jello has cooled enough not to melt the chocolate, syringe it into each of your Easter eggs until they are full. Then seal up each egg so they don't dry out when refrigerated. Place these in the fridge for a few hours or until set. I present to you the extraordinary Easter Egg Jello Shot. Now you can get fat and get drunk at the same time. Now if you want full details on how to make this recipe, head on down the description below or over to our website, DrinkLab.org. If you want to get cool Jello Shot cups just like this, which make it easy to release your Jello Shot to have, then they're available in our website store. And don't forget to sign up to become our drink buddy, and I will see you next time. Head on over to our website, DrinkLab.org. Don't forget to click subscribe to follow us on YouTube, or you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, or you can sign up to become my drink buddy and sign up for all sorts of exclusive goodies.